It's clearing up just a bit for us, so this is nice. I'm gonna give you a quick look at the campus. And here I am today. We're gonna go over the verification process, okay? You're gonna learn 3 things. What it is, why you're selected, and what you need to do, okay? So, they say it's not an audit, but really it's another hoop. It's another, hey, do you really qualify for that money that we said you did before we give it to you, okay? So where do you find it? You want to log in to your child's college portal. And when I say you, I actually really mean the student. The student's gonna go off to college. They should be able to log into their portal, in my opinion. It's new to them, yes, but they should be able to find the financial aid tab, maybe a to-do list or red flag, and it'll say, hey, it may not say you've been selected for verification, but it'll say, here's the verification form, and then there'll be some other directions. That's what we're looking for. So one, there's a worksheet. You can send that to me, and I'll help you with that. It's probably 1 or 2 pages, because since we've been through all the other hoops together, let's make sure this last one is good, okay? Then they're going to ask you to submit a tax transcript. And most families don't know what that is, and that's okay if you don't know what it is. Really, it's a condensed version of your tax return. And yes, we basically sent them this already, but again, they're saying, well, let's double check, let's make sure. And so a copy of your tax return is not sufficient. They specifically want the tax transcript, and you have to order that. And there's 3 ways to order it. I recommend submitting a form, okay? Snail mail. I have the form number here. If you Google form number 4506TEZ, it's a 1-pager. Actually, it's 2 pages because the second page is directions. And the second page says California, send it here. You write in the name that's on the tax return, the year that you want, and where you want it sent. So this is important. Have them send it to you, not the college, okay? Then we have a copy in case the college loses it. We have a copy in case we need to send it to multiple colleges. And we also have a copy if they say something's not right, we know what they're looking at, okay? So you're going to order it snail mail, in my opinion. You can go online, you can call, you can walk in, doesn't matter, but I would suggest snail mail. You get it back in about 10 days. It's not too long as these things go, and you send them the copy that they asked for. You send me a copy and you keep a copy, okay? Then we're through most of that process. And so the next question I usually get is, well, or most people think, well, my student didn't make any money, they didn't file a tax return, I don't need to do this. Incorrect. They want a copy of your student's tax transcript, and they just need it to show 0. That's all. And again, we're looking for the tax year 2017, right? Don't worry, I'm not asking you to do 18. 18's probably not done, not processed, so don't worry. They won't have your tax transcript, of course, if you just finished 17 or if you haven't filed 17, but I think most of my clients have done that and you're good, okay? So that's a little bit about the verification process and what I need you to start looking for at this point. I would like your student, or you, if you're doing that, to look into the college portal for these types of things about once a week now, okay? That's where we're moving to. I know you haven't gotten back all of your award letters, and that's okay. Hang in there. Those are coming, and then we'll talk, either phone, video, you come in, and we'll outline really what the offer is and what makes more sense, okay? So thank you. This is my second video, and I am less than 5 minutes. I hope that helped tremendously. Please email me your questions. Bye. Have a great weekend.